Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI. If you have little ones that love story time, you've got to check out the Elephant and Piggie series by Mo Willems. So this particular book out of the series is called Happy Pig Day, and it's really cute. So it's all about Piggie and Gerald. They're best friends. Gerald is the elephant, and Piggie is so excited because it's Pig Day. But then as Piggie is going through and explaining to Gerald exactly what Pig Day is, Gerald begins to feel sad because he's not a pig, he's an elephant, and he thinks he can't be part of it. And then at the end, Piggie reassures him, it's okay. Pig Day is for anybody who loves pigs. So I love the lesson. It helps to teach kids to be inclusive and not leave anyone out, all with a lot of humor. So if you've got little ones, I know they'll love this book and they will fall in love with Piggie and Gerald, just like my kids. And that's my point of view.